I'm Eric Walters, Director of the Additive Manufacturing Center for KCTCS, and this week we want to give a shout out to all of our folks out there with the Advanced Kentucky program as part of Kentucky Science and Technology Corporation and our work in bringing additive manufacturing to colleges and high schools across Kentucky. We want to shout out to those teachers who are already out there doing the work. So for those of you who've been part of the AK training that have gone through the hours of learning the DPT 100, the 150, maybe you're in your 280 class right now, or are already out there doing the work, we just want to say thanks. Because what you're doing is bringing the power of this technology to our high schools, to our K-12 programs, and you are making a difference. For those of you that may not be familiar with the program and how it works is, over the past several years, a little bit after COVID, we have been training K-12 teachers in additive manufacturing so they could deliver it in the high schools. We've actually been providing them with desktop 3D printers, in some cases some resin as well, to get the ball rolling in their schools and setting up opportunities for them to do dual credit operations with our community colleges in the region. It's a complicated process. It takes a lot of time, a lot of resources, a lot of materials, and thanks of course to Dr. Sherry McGuffin, who's actually the mover and shaker that's out there bringing all these folks together. But it's taken time, but it's now growing. Right now we have over 200 teachers that have been trained in additive manufacturing technologies and learning how to do design, learning how to do 3D printing, learning how to do the engineering associated with this, using AI to generate new products, using AI to create new types of code and applications and all sorts of new things. And these are the folks that are at the grassroots level making a difference. And you can also check out the map to kind of see where some of these folks are, what they're doing, what colleges they're working with. But it's a great opportunity for us to get additive into the workforce, into the mindset of our students as quickly as possible. So thanks for your hard work, and thanks for all the partners that have made it possible. NSF, Department of Education, Kentucky Science and Technology Corporation. It's been a long time coming, and now we're starting to see the fruits of the labor. This semester alone, we have around, I think, about 8 to 10 dual credit courses being offered through KCTCS across the state, and hundreds of students that are actually taking the courses and learning 3D printing through our DPT program right now. Now, for those of you already in the program and already teaching this semester, be watching for some of the new changes we're implementing, or actually updating. We'll be adding in more AI creation. Obviously, we're doing AI generation through generative design, but there's more to come and there's more advancements that are happening. So we'll be sprinkling a little bit of that in during the course of this semester and next. So be watching for those changes as you're adding it in. And also, for those of you who are already kind of doing the work, feel free to shoot us a message and let us know, like, hey, this is something we've just seen, or this is an area we're seeing an opportunity in. Let us know, we can add that into the curriculum that you have access to as well. So a lot's happening on the technology. It's really, really exciting, and we're just grateful to be a part of the journey within Kentucky, and you're also journeying with your students at the high school and of course community college levels. The whole platform of additive and AI and everything that's going on is just changing so many things so rapidly that this is the moment we've been looking for, right? Where we can actually get that to our students immediately. So lots of opportunities there. And of course the printers themselves, they've just changed so much over the last year that the creations and the ease of use is huge. So great opportunities coming. Be watching for your material for those in the program. Those who are interested in checking out more and getting into it, let us know. We have some more advanced Kentucky opportunities for training coming up, and even potentially some applications that will get down below the high school level, which we're really excited about. So thanks for checking out what we've got. Thanks for sticking with us for all these years and helping us grow additive into what it's becoming across Kentucky. And also, make sure to have a great weekend. We appreciate you all, and keep checking out what we've got coming up. We'll see you.